Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel. After few days I am making this video. I hope you all are good. Okay, let's discuss today topic. The topic is what are the loops in Python. So loops, what are the loops? While loop and for loop in Python, major loops. So we discuss today these two. So what is meant by while loop? While loop is nothing but used to execute a block of code several times as long as the condition is true. So simply simply I'm saying when the code is executed number of times is for using while loop. So that's why we need to use while loop. So we can see syntax of while loop: while condition quotes colon. Here example code we can see now. Example code is, let's write a code to print the three next consecutive numbers of the given integer or given input. So integer means number, so that's why I'm calling integer. Actually this is input. So input is 10. So input is 10 actually. So listen carefully. Here giving 10. So we can take input. So a equal to, this is integer. So that's why we can type conversion. We can make type conversion here. So int is the type conversion here. So actually this is integer, so we can make type conversion this number. So that's why 10 becomes int here. So int of input a is equal to a plus 1, print of a. So the a value is a is equal to a plus 1, print of a. So these three of a's means 10 next consecutive numbers are automatically printed. So same values. So that's why the output is 11, 13, 14. It's because of here giving 11 is the input. So that's why the consecutive numbers are 12, 13, 14. This is one type of example code in while loop. Next, in while loop original or widely using method is a equal to int of input. Int is nothing but type conversion here. So here counter, actually here counter, we can add counter equal to 0. So while counter less than 3, so actually here mention while counter less than 3 of 11. So a is equal to a plus 1, print of a. So a value will be printed now. So we can see now, this is the rule. Actually listen carefully now. Counter is equal to counter plus 1. So plus 1 means adding, print of end. So here 11 is the input. So 11, 12, 13, 14 end will be printed. So this is the example code. I hope you all are understand what I am saying. If you don't understand, please repeat the video and listen carefully what I am saying the problem. Now we can discuss for loop. for loop before we can discuss sequence of character string. Actually okay, for loop is nothing but sequence of character, sequence of number, etc. In simple definition, for each item in a sequence we can use for loop. listen, for each item in sequence, every item in sequence format. So that's why we need to use format of for loop. For repeating block of code, this is also repeating block of code. I hope you understand what I am saying here. Example code is input. Example question first. Example question 1. Write a program to print right angle triangle pattern where integer n is given input. All of you understand? Input format first. We can see first line will contain a positive integer. Output format print right angle triangular pattern. So they are giving one positive integer. We can find out right angle triangle pattern by using of input. So here integer n. So right angle triangle pattern is our goal now. So example code, n is equal to int of input. So n is nothing but integer, so that's why we can make type conversion here. So int of input, print of star into 1, print of star into 2, print of star into 3. So that's why the 1 2 3 1 2 3, this is right angle triangle. So this is our output finally. This is the example code of for loop. I hope you understand what I am saying, these two loops in Python. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.